read that. It says emergency alert, National Weather Service and flash flood warning in effect in the area until 11 a.m. This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you're fleeing an area subject to flooding under evacuation order. What's going on? This is so weird. What's up? Hitting you from Anytime Fitness during this flash flood warning. Not sure what's going on. Wasn't really expecting this. Not sure what kind of weather we're having, but yeah. So we're gonna have a good workout today, hopefully, and then maybe we can get home safely if it doesn't flood over. I didn't bring my boat, so we're stuck with the truck today, and then, yeah, let's get to it. So walking in here, stepped in a puddle, and my shoes are wet. What's up? So we just had a good workout. Got a little bit of footage, but there's people in there, so I didn't want to, record everybody. But I did get a little bit. And I got some wipes to wipe off everything, because Corona season. And then, yeah, let's just try to get home. I mean, right now it looks like the rain's kind of slowed down, but I mean, I was looking at the news at the gym, and I mean, Iredell County was flooded. There's so many, there's like a mudslide around here. There's like a bunch of roads that are closed, and let's see if any of our roads are closed back to Gastonia. Other than that, that's about it. So, yep, I'll just stay tuned. Guys, we made it back. The roads weren't that bad at all on the way back. The rain, kind of light.
but we still got it. So see you on the next adventure.